Today we are super excited to unbox an end of Thanksgiving book outlet haul. Okay, let's get started. While I open this up, let me tell you a little bit about Book Outlet. It is one of the stores you want to visit if you want new books or books that look extremely new for a ridiculously low price. I'm telling you, from $2 to $8 for books that are originally $17, $18. And it's not only for kids' book. You have adult books, fiction, nonfiction, you name it. It's on Book Outlet. I'm gonna speed up the video for a little bit. Look at this. Brand new books. All of your favorites. You can get them at a really, really cheap price. That's why we love it. I'm gonna go through and I'm also gonna leave links down below to Book Outlet and also Amazon. Now the first one is Even Superheroes Use the Potty, which is great for helping with potty training. Rachel Bright's Love Monster is one of our favorite books ever. It's about letting love find you. Saturday with Daddy, Dan Anderson, perfect Saturday routine book for dads. Daddy Hugs, Karen Katz, another perfect daddy book. This is our favorite in the entire box. How do you say goodnight? It tells you and teaches you all the different ways to say goodnight in different cultures and languages. Oh, then we have Otis Gives Thanks by Lauren Long, a Thanksgiving book. Karen Katz No Hitting helps kids find other ways to show emotions rather than hitting. Light the Menorah, perfect for Hanukkah, which is coming up very soon. The Night Before Thanksgiving, another Thanksgiving book. Happy Thanksgiving Biscuit, a classic. The 12 Days of Thanksgiving, it's kind of like a sing-along with some stickers in it. Pinkalicious Thanksgiving Helper, they also have stickers. We love Pinkalicious. Happy Thanksgiving Snoopy, you can't have any holiday without Snoopy and his friends. Bloom by Deborah Deason, perfect mommy-daughter book. I'm an Immigrant Too, Mem Fox, about different cultures in a different country. And Naptastrophe by Jared Kozowska. It's so funny, you're gonna love it. Thank you for joining us. Happy reading. Don't forget to check out Book Outlet. Bye.